I'm Christina Pellini, and I'm 49 and counting. I started at Get in Shape in September of 2012. I lost about 20 pounds and 21 inches. I joined because I had to. I found out I had arthritis. I was overweight and out of shape, and I just felt beaten. The reason that I like Get in Shape specifically is, even though I've tried other programs and I didn't have to lose 90 pounds, but it didn't matter. The 20 that I really needed to lose, I wasn't losing. And so here, the difference is huge. The difference with Get in Shape is that you make an appointment. So on Monday morning, on Wednesday, Friday morning, when you don't want to be here and you want to have that cup of coffee and you want to go do something else, you can't. You have an appointment. Someone's waiting for you. So that accountability is huge. It gets me here. And when you leave, you feel great, because that accountability, getting weighed in on Mondays is not my favorite sometimes, but sometimes it's a blast because you can't wait, because you know you did really, really well. Sometimes you cheat a little bit, but you know Monday's coming. So the accountability, the nutrition, the option plans that we had at the very beginning, I continue. I alter them all the time, but I use them all the time because they helped me to better understand what it is that makes me healthier, what I can and can't eat. And when you pull the whole thing together, so I guess the accountability and the nutrition and just the inspiring part of having to be here.